After a car accident, your first priority is your health. Once you've seen a doctor and the initial shock wears off, a question remains. How soon should I contact a lawyer? Many people think they should wait until they've completed their treatment or until the insurance tries to make their claim go away. But in reality, waiting is one of the costliest mistakes you can make. Contact the lawyer immediately and understand your rights. Ideally, you should contact the lawyer within 24 to 48 hours. Here's why. We call this the golden hour of evidence. Surveillance footage for nearby businesses are often overwritten within days. Skid marks fade and witnesses' memories start to blur. Most importantly, insurance adjusters will call you within hours of a crash. They are trained to get you to make statements that can inadvertently hurt your case. When you hire us immediately, we become that shield between you and the adjusters. Here in Massachusetts, there are specific deadlines that you might not know about. For example, if there is an injury or if there's property damage over $1,000 in damages, you're legally required to file a motor vehicle operator crash report within 5 days. Failure to do this can result in a license suspension, insurance complications, or even legal consequences. When you call us right away, we ensure that all state required paperwork is filed timely. Now, you may have heard that the statute of limitations in Massachusetts is 3 years. While that is generally true for standard personal injury lawsuits, there are strict exceptions. If your accident involves a government vehicle like a city snowplow or an MBTA bus, you need to send a formal notice of your claim to the designated official for that state agency within 2 years. If you miss that tiny window, your right to recover is gone forever. Calling us early allows us to identify these hidden deadlines before it's too late. Some people wait to see if their pain improves. However, from an insurance perspective, a gap in time is a gap in credibility. If you have gaps in your medical treatment, the insurance company will argue that your injury wasn't actually caused by the crash. At Jeffrey Glassman Injury Lawyers, we work on a contingency fee basis. That means there are no upfront costs for our representation, and you only pay legal fees if we're able to obtain you compensation for your bodily injuries. We can manage your PIP benefits to get your medical bills paid now, while we gather your medical documentation for a potential settlement in the future. The bottom line is this: the sooner we start, the more evidence we can save, and the more stress we can take off of your shoulders. If you've been in an accident, don't wait for the clock to run out. Give us a call at 617-777-7777 or visit our website. Let's talk about your case today.